Hi guys, I'm Iulia and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this style of filming because it's very a last minute type of filming. I just wanted to share with you some tips and tricks that you can use to improve your photography at home. If you want to improve your photography for Instagram or your Etsy shop, whatever you want, then keep on watching. This is so simple and everyone can do it at home, and trust me, you will see a huge improvement in your pictures. So let's get started and get into the video. The first thing that you have to do is to lay down a piece of paper or some wood, as this is going to represent the background of your image. For example, if you are taking pictures of some pages as I did in this example, then bring some props like wildflowers, dried wildflowers. They look really nice. It gives like an organic feeling to the whole picture. You can bring some like small bottles that I really like, and I had one since my boyfriend graduated from high school, so I'm using it as a prop. What else can you use? You can use some little tags, that you receive when you're visiting like an old house, or you can use your notebook. Also, you can use as a prop small wooden pegs. They look so cute, so I put a few on a piece of paper and then one around it. And if you cannot find anything as a prop in your house, but you should, because everyone has stuff laying around their house and they look cute in pictures, and they are going to make your pictures pop more in context. Okay, what else? Yeah, that's it. If you're using props, your pictures are definitely going to stand out from the crowd on Instagram or on Etsy, because really you want your picture to work as a clickbait, right? You want people to actually click on it, and on Pinterest as well. Yeah, that's about it. This is really short. I just wanted to share with you a few really useful tips that I'm using all the time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all this blah, and I'll see you next time. Bye.